Behind us is a prairie that we've restored with the prescribed burn last year, and just in one season we've seen an amazing array of flowers that came up and were released from that burn.
For Liberty Utilities, this grassy area next to one of its substations is just a small part of the company's Power to the Pollinators program, an initiative that was launched in 2018 as an effort to help combat a global threat to the environment. Pollinators across the world are in danger of losing their habitat and forage. But covering over 12 million acres in North America alone, natural gas and electric right-of-way corridors are in a unique position to help, stretching across vast areas of undeveloped land in many different ecosystems. Liberty's power lines, for example, match up perfectly with the migration paths of the monarch butterfly, an iconic species and key pollinator in the United States, which in part is why Liberty launched this initiative.
With our Power to the Pollinators program, we've been able to work closely with a lot of our communities that we serve and help them promote pollinator habitat as well. Specifically, we've planted a lot of pollinator way stations. Now we can do outreach with students and kids to help them understand the importance of pollinators as well.
And part of that community outreach involves working with local experts in service areas, like Dr. Mary Kilmer, a college biology professor and beekeeping specialist who knows just how important pollinators are to our everyday life.
If we lose our pollinators, basically we lose our food. We lose our plants. About 90% of our flowering plants depend on pollination to some degree. 75% of the world's food crops depend on pollination. It's estimated that 1 out of every 4 bites of food you take is because of a pollinator. So if we lose our pollinators, economically we're losing food, it's getting more expensive or more scarce, but we're also just losing plant diversity in general.
Liberty's main goal is to provide safe, reliable power to its customers. And historically, that meant mowing to the ground to keep vegetation away from power lines. But the plants that pollinators need actually don't grow tall enough to impact the lines. So reevaluation of the right-of-way management process has been key in allowing these specific plants to grow and pollinators to thrive while still maintaining the reliability of electric service for customers. And in addition to its own projects, Liberty is also encouraging its customers to help in their own spaces, whether it's just one plant or an entire garden to support pollination. Everyone can make a difference, and often it only takes a little effort. Education and awareness are the first steps in leaving the planet better for the next generation.
In the end, we will conserve only what we love will love only what we understand, and we will understand only what we are taught.